Did you know an entire profession can disappear overnight, taking decades of human expertise with it? Dr. Margaret Chen spent 40 years reading shadows and light on X-ray films. Her trained eye could spot a tumor the size of a grain of rice, catch pneumonia before symptoms appeared. She saved lives by seeing what others missed in those ghostly images. Today, she's taking one last look at the films before they're destroyed. Each one tells a story. The construction worker whose broken rib she found, the teacher whose early stage cancer she caught in time. Her fingers trace the edges of film after film, holding them up to the light box one final time. The hospital has gone digital. Computers now do what she spent a lifetime learning. She places the last film in the disposal bin, her life's work reduced to medical waste. Her specialized vision that once meant life or death will never be needed again. She reaches for the light box switch and turns it off. 40 years of seeing inside the human body ends in darkness.